You know about influencer marketing, right?
Now moving inside, the upgraded info.
So, welcome to the new generation of influencer marketing. AI virtual influencer marketing. Making AI influencer might sound like a complicated technical thing with all AI tool out there right now. But it's not. That's why we built Soloflows. We build AI influencer workflows using make.com, designed to turn a single action into scalable content. Send one message through Telegram, or trigger it directly from your Notion dashboard. Content is generated automatically, managed at scale, scheduled in advance, or published manually. You stay in control. But workflows are only part of the story. Soloflows is also a community for serious AI virtual influencer builders. You get access to every workflow we create, step-by-step guide videos, from automation to building AI influencers with real brand identity. We cover tools, strategy, and the legal realities of AI influencers today. You'll receive ongoing updates, new modules, bug fixes, new features. AI influencers don't have to be complicated. They just need the right system and the right community. We've built both. Soloflows. Make your AI influencer for your brand.